It's me back, and I'm fishing, as you can see, and yeah, hopefully I catch a bass and my phone doesn't die. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video. My phone's 1%. Yeah, there's a lot of weird stuff happening around here. Have you guys ever heard of the devil tree? It's right here. And yeah, just kidding. Devil tree is not even close to here because I'm in Ashford. And yeah. Guys, it's kind of tough fishing here because there's only bass here. Wait, hold on a second. Yeah, like I was saying, there's only bass here and stuff. Yeah, and pretty much nothing really. There's only catfish, bass, geese live here, snakes live here. Stupid. And yeah, and this is only me here. Thank God, because then I'd be losing every single fish. The reason how I caught 9 fish last night, yesterday. Wait, did I even tell you guys about that? No, I didn't. I caught 9 fish yesterday. My dad caught 2, and my dad's friend caught 2 or 3 fish here, and yeah. There's actually a lot of fish in here. There's pods of bass. And yeah, hopefully I catch a bass. I might not, you never know. My hook's barely sticking out, so yeah, it's only sticking out like an inch. So yeah, I might lose the first